Hey everybody. Goodness, I think those are the first words I've said out loud today. So we are going to do a haul today. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a comer backer, please like and comment the video. And yeah, we averted a disaster with the rail system. So that's, I guess, on the back burner for now. I don't know if it's a long-term forever thing or temporary for November, but we're good for now. So I was watching some candy making and some sailing, and then I turned on the press conference and felt a blood pressure headache coming on. So I just can't. I can't. Fibbers. I can't stand when they lie to your face. Am I the only person who doesn't tolerate being treated stupid? Well, anyways, I'll stop. So, let's see, where do we start? We got some seasoned southern style grimbins, and I'm going to be making my own today. I need to get those started as soon as I finish this. I got 4 bags of these Purano beans. Not sure I'm actually pronouncing that right, but these are a creamy white bean, and if you like hummus, use a creamy white bean. Half these with your garbanzo beans, and you will have the creamiest hummus. It's delish. So I got 4 of these. You can make bean dips, soups, whatever with them. They're a nice bean. I got another jar of the dried beef. I got 2 boxes of the Mediterranean curry couscous. And you do need to repackage those because these are just loose in the box. I got a case of the garlic and olive oil couscous, and this takes a minimal amount of water and cooks literally pretty much instantly. I got my husband some beef sticks. These were $12.99 at Walmart, and they're $16.99 I think on Amazon, but you get the taller container. I got some bamba rice for, it's a Spanish rice, as in Spain, for paella. And I got a Paella Kit that comes with the pan. It's the vegetable, but you could add your meat or whatever with that. I got a case of pineapple juice, and this is really good if you're sick for loosening up mucus and such. I love to drink it, but I try not to drink too much of it because it can be fattening. I got a couple sets of sheets, so if you're needing clothes, sheets, things like that, you might want to get them. I got a 24 pack of Goya mixed vegetables. I got those on Amazon, and I think they were $22 or $22 or $23. They had gone up, then they came down. When they came down, I ordered them. I got some freeze-dried ground beef. Freeze-dry wholesalers had an 18% off sale, so I got some ground beef. I got some beef stew cubes and some hamburger patties. And if you haven't seen, I've done a couple of recipes using the freeze-dried pork chops. I did crispy fried pork chops, and I did a pork stir fry. So that, oh, and I got these lens wipes on Amazon, or not Amazon, well, Amazon bought Woot, but I got them on Woot. There's 30 in there, and I got those for $4 on Woot. Check Woot out for random sales. They have, well, they always have deals. But if you need toys or whatever, electronics, they have all sorts of stuff. I got headphones for my brother for $5, the skulls. I think that's what they're called. And 2 wireless sets for $4.99. So, trying to knock out the Christmas shopping. So, yeah. Check out Woot if you're looking for some Christmas stuff, or even for your pantry, you know, your prepping. And look for those deals on Amazon when you can find them. Sometimes if you put something in your cart, you'll see it go up and down. When it goes down to what you want to pay, grab it, you know. So, yeah, I'm going to put this away and probably can some black beans and pork separately. So, yeah, that's all I've got today. So I hope you all are doing well. You stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video.